Hey, good afternoon, Facebook friends and families. Dan Ramos from Intelligent Automation. And as you can see, I'm coming to you live from Aristole Spirits, where my brother Victor and I just finished wrapping up an install of a brand new network infrastructure for a customer for this new venue. So we wanted to kind of quickly take you inside to show you around and show you what we've done. So take a walk with us and we can talk about what we've done inside. Wiring as it's installed. So in the upper left-hand corner, you see a white cable coming in on a wood block. That's the cable that kind of goes into the walls and it's well hidden. Everything is clean, neat, and functional. And then we come around here and this is here we installed two 8-inch episode speakers that'll be powered by a Sonos amp connect system, and the sound is fantastic. Experimenting with it for some time now. We've been running it in the background quietly and it's been very effective. So I'm a believer, yes, you heard it here first. Dan Ramos from Intelligent Automation is a believer in Ubiquiti Networks infrastructure. It runs really clean, really well. So we're gonna come on, we're gonna follow through, we're gonna look. Phenomenal. The metal work, it's beautiful. It is stunning. I mean, for his customers and his staff. Now, all the equipment back here will eventually be connected to wireless and wired sensors that will get connected back. So there'll be a lot of IoT or Internet of Things connectivity that will be connected here. And we will be providing that network infrastructure for this environment. So here we have a 16U or 16 unit rack that we've installed that house and control the connectivity for the entire environment. Starting with power, we've got a 1100 watt hour UPS from Wattbox. Gives them plenty of power. Right now at its load, we're occupying about 25% capacity, so they'll get a good 2.5 hours. Once the UPS or the power's tripped, they'll have about a good 2.5 hours of backup connectivity. Of course, now it won't open. The beauties of going live, you know, to leave it hanging on a hinge to make sure that it would not fall. If you have any questions on anything that you've seen here today, please feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 888-711-4521. Or drop us an email at sales@intellamation.com. That's INT like Thomas, ELAMATION.com, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.